Have you ever woken up one day and felt different? Like the air around you had shifted? Like something good was on its way, even if you couldn't explain why? Have you ever noticed your mood lifting, your thoughts clearing, and your energy returning without any obvious reason? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a subject that touches everyone but is rarely understood: the mysterious signs that appear right before your luck turns. Its question is, how do you know when good fortune is coming? Is it just a coincidence, a feeling, or are there actual, observable shifts that occur before your life takes a turn for the better? You might be surprised to learn that yes, there are 3 powerful signs that often manifest before luck, success, and happiness enter your life. And the best part, they have nothing to do with superstition. These signs are rooted in psychology, behavior, and the invisible energy of intention. Let's explore these 3 signs through stories, analysis, and reflection. The first sign is simple, yet powerful: your words begin to change. If you start catching yourself saying things like, "I can handle this," or "I believe something good is coming," even in moments of uncertainty, take note. When the language you use starts shifting from negativity to possibility, it's not just each is a signal. Your subconscious mind is beginning to trust the process again. That's the first ripple of transformation. Let me share a story. A man I once knew, let's call him Daniel, used to describe his life as one big failure. And nothing ever works out for me, he'd say. I'm just unlucky. And for years, that became his reality. Every relationship failed. Every opportunity slipped through his fingers. One day, out of sheer frustration, he began writing daily affirmations, and not because he believed in them, but because he wanted to prove they didn't work. I'm worthy of success. I attract good energy. I'm building a better life. That's what he wrote. 3 months later, Daniel landed a new job. 6 months later, he met the woman he'd marry. Year after that, he started his own business. Was it magic? No. Was language? It was belief reshaping reality, one sentence at a time. If your internal dialogue is becoming more hopeful, take it as a sign. Your life is preparing to shift. The second sign of incoming good fortune is internal peace. Have you noticed lately that you don't overreact the way you used to? That small things no longer bother you? That you've started forgiving people not because they deserve it, but because you deserve peace? This calm isn't a coincidence. It's the clearing of emotional clutter. It's the space that abundance needs in order to enter. I once met a single mother of 2 who used to cry herself to sleep every night. She was overwhelmed, underpaid, and filled with self-doubt. But one day, she heard a simple line in a podcast that changed her. What if it's not about fixing everything, but about accepting everything? She started meditating. She forgave her ex. She stopped comparing herself to others. And most importantly, she began treating herself with kindness. Didn't happen overnight, but as her inner world softened, her outer world followed. She found a remote job that paid double. Her kids began thriving, and she met a new partner who respected her deeply. So if you've started to feel lighter, even if your circumstances haven't changed yet, know that peace is a prelude. It's the spiritual soil in which blessings grow. And finally, the third sign is action. When you start feeling the urge to move, to clean your room, change your habits, take that class, start that side project, and ignore it, that's not random motivation. That's energy building up inside you, preparing you for the next level. Woman I know, we'll call her Lisa, spent years stuck in a dead-end job. You was burned out, bitter, and uninspired. And one day, she woke up and thought, I want to paint. She hadn't touched a brush in 20 years. But something pushed her. He began painting on weekends. She started posting her work online. Soon, she had a following, and a gallery reached out. A day, she makes a living doing what she once thought was just a childhood hobby. All because she followed that one tiny impulse. So if you feel like decluttering your space, starting a new routine, learning something new into it, even if it seems small, because luck doesn't just happen, it's created by movement. These 3 signs, positive speech, inner peace, and purposeful action may seem subtle, but when they show up together, they're powerful. It means the tide is turning. It means the universe is aligning with your energy. But here's the truth: luck is not a lottery. It's a response. Response to your energy, your decisions, your readiness. You don't have to wait for life to get better. You can become the person it gets better for. Let me ask you, have you noticed any of these signs in your life recently? Have you felt calmer, more optimistic, more motivated? So, congratulations, something beautiful is coming. Your only job is to stay open, stay moving, and stay kind to yourself and others. And if you haven't felt these signs yet, don't worry. Begin with one small shift. Change a phrase. Choose peace over Brahm. Equine inspired action. Soon, you'll look back and realize that was the moment your luck began to change. Thank you for watching. Share in the comments what signs you've experienced before major life changes as your language shifted. Have you recently taken a leap of faith? We'd love to hear your stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video that could change your life.